Hi folks, I'm just scanning the Cobra Transceiver Mark V, John Nugent radio, 26 to 30 megs, green display, obviously very sought after radio, very few and far between. This is one I've got from America. I did buy it from the States and did get it repaired by the guys at Cobra Workshops. As you can see, it's got the Cobra Workshop seals on it. There you go. And obviously it works a treat now. If the radio goes from 26 to 30 megs. It's a very sought after radio, like I said, and I do have a few guys on the YouTube wanting me to download a video of it. Obviously you can see it's scanning the triple at the moment and there's not much on again, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. There's a few Fox Bravo stations on the radio earlier on. And the 11 meters was active around 5 o'clock this evening when I got home from work. So there you go, there's one for Tam there in Scotland, in Glasgow there. Thought I'd show you my Mark V. I've seen a video of yours, Tam, and I'm very impressed. So there's mine to show you that I'm more identical to your radio, Tam. So thanks a lot for that. Thanks guys, and be loading a lot of stuff soon. Bye for now.